Good day, class. In today's class, we want to continue our class on percentage change or percentage error. And we want to examine the dance question on the board. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 25%. Find the percentage change. Before I start solving this problem, don't forget that if you need a landed property, a virgin land, and you want to build on it for schools, colleges, just name them. You want to use it for hotel or amusement park or an event center, feel free to contact me. I will Michael Diva. My number is displayed on the screen above. Don't forget, for a physical training like this, on your Word, WAEC, JAM, GCSC, IGCSC, Dreams Tutorial Center is best class today. Let's get started. So we have a number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 25%. Find the percentage change. So before we can solve this question, we say let the number be x. So let the number be x. So if the number is x, that is our original value. We're told that this x now is increased by 20% and then decreased by 25%. Increase means we add 100. Decrease means we subtract 100. So we have increase by 20%, meaning that 100 plus 20, that means 120%. That's 120% times decrease by 25, meaning that 100 minus 25, that's 75 over 100 x. So this is the new value when x is increased by 20 and decreased by 25. So let's get the value. So we have 25 here 3, 25 here 4, 0 cancel 0, 4 here 1, 4 in 12 3, 3 times 3 9, 9 over 10, that's 0.9x. So this is the new value which is lower than our original value. So we want to get the percentage change now. The percentage change will be change in the number or change in the value of x over x times 100%. So we will evaluate this very well. Change in x, this is our original value of x. The new value here was lower. So we have 0.9x minus x over x times 100. So when you do 0.9x minus x, so it will give you 0.1x over x times 100. So x cancel x, we are left with 0.1 times 100. 0.1 times 100 is actually 10%. Don't forget 0.9 minus x is a negative. So you have 10% what? Decrease. So the answer here is 10% decrease, which is our option A. See you in my next video. Bye.